I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone! Hello Universe! It's me again! Ako, shoutout sa inyo mga kababayan. Mayroon tayong good news for everybody. Maganda ito advance Merry Christmas kasi yung Christmas tree sa Malacanang, nakita nyo? Kasi si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Katuwang-tuwa, hawak ang telepono. Bakit? Marami na naman ang magtataas ng kilay dito mga kababayan. Ang kakala ko ba delikado ang Marcos pag nanalo ang si President Trump. Diyan kayo nagkamali. Bakit? Bago nyo panoorin yung balita ng 1PH News. Ito basahin ko muna. Bakit? Ay nako, nag-usap si President Trump at saka si Pangulong Marcos Jr. via phone. Ay, sus, kayo talaga. Talagang maganda ang samahan ng Pilipinas at saka ang Amerika. Mabait ang Pangulo Lahat ng mga leader sa buong mundo talagang malapit ang loob nila kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Because that is God's way, mga kababayan. Dahil mabait ang Pangulo na ito, walang kaaway. Kaso lang, inaaway siya yung mga naiinggit sa kanya. Sige, basahin ko ito guys sabi sa page ng Pangulo ito congratulations again, President Trump. Ay, talaga naman kinakongratulation niya ang Pangulo, si Pangulong Trump. Saan kayo makakita niyan? Tuloy. The overwhelming support of Filipinos in the United States on your triumphant win is a testament to the deep and enduring friendship between our nation. Totoo naman. Alalahan nyo guys matagal na magkaibigan ng Amerika. At ang mag-alay since 1951 until now, di ba? I look forward to working closely with you to further strengthen our ties and promote peace, stability, and prosperity across the Indo-Pacific region. Mabuhay. Yan November 19 sa Palasyo de Malacanang. OMG. Nako, medyo tagilid dito si President Chekwa, mga bes. Ang alam ko, hindi yata magkasundo ito parang ayaw ni Trump dito kay President Chekwa ng ng China. Nako. Akala ko ba delikado si PBBM kay Trump. Ang pinagmamalaki ni Attorney Roque na talagang magkalapit daw sila ni Digong at saka ni Trump. Diyan kayo ka nagkamali. Di ba mga kababayan? Masyado kayong mayabang, mga dilis. Hindi nyo alam ang karisma ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Talagang very attracted sa mga world leader. Kasi mabait ito Sabi niya, di ba, friendly to all, enemy to none. Kayo talaga. Dahil dyan, mga kababayan, congratulations. Talaga naman ito si Trump, guys, Alam niyo itong Pangulo ng Amerika, sa nababasa ko, ito, dahil businessman ito, mga kababayan, dahil sa ba naman yumaman sa kanyang mga malalaking business, mga bes, Dahil dito, mga bes, dahil business-minded ito, si President Trump, malamang magkasundo sila ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. sapagkat ito si Pangulong Marcos Jr. business-minded din ito di ba? Pagpupunta siya sa mga international forum, mga summit, walang ginawa ito kundi makipag-usap sa mga business leader. Kaya nga sabi ko business-minded ito. Di ba? At pinagmamalaki niya ang bansang Pilipinas. At pinaglaban niya yan, guys, sa harapan ng mundo. Lalo po ang West Philippine Sea. Ay, sus! Dahil dyan, panoorin nyo, guys, itong short video, courtesy po ng 1PH. Hininterview kasi ang ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos dito, mga bes. But before that, don't forget to like, hit the button bell para lagi kayo update sa aking mga upload video. Follow me, guys. Eto na.
It was a very good call. It was a very friendly call.
This was how President Bongbong Marcos described his first phone conversation with U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. Marcos said they spoke as scheduled early today, and their conversation focused on the alliance between the Philippines and the United States.
Patuloy namin pinag-usapan ang samahan, the alliance between the United States and the Philippines, and I expressed to him our continuing desire to strengthen that relationship between our two countries, which is a relationship that is as deep as can possibly be, because it has been for a very long time.
Marcos said he also reminded Trump that the majority of the Filipinos in the U.S. voted for him, expressing hope that the new U.S. president will remember it. This, of course, led to the question around what will happen to illegal Filipino immigrants currently in the United States, to which Marcos replied,
We didn't talk about that. We didn't talk about it. It was just a congratulatory call. But of course, our ambassador is already working on that.
Nonetheless, Marcos said his conversation with Trump was very productive.
I'm glad that I was able to do it, and I think the President-elect Trump was also happy to hear from the Philippines.
Marcos said Trump also asked about his mother, former First Lady Imelda Marcos.
Naaalala naman ang Pilipinas, ang kaibigan niya talaga, mother ko. Kilalang niya yung mother ko. Kinukumusta niya how is Imelda? Sabi ko, binabati ka nga.
President Marcos said he also expressed his intent to meet with Trump as soon as possible.